Hi guys, today we're going to film the cacao mochi. Let's
With who?
Sylvia.
Sylvian! Sil. Okay, let's see what inside of this. This is pasalubong from Taiwan.
Yes.
And let's taste it also. Let me help you out. You like some?
No, I'm fine. I opened the last pack.
Should be more fast.
Okay, so I need to crush it. Oh.
Ooh. How was it?
See what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute.
How many
There's
packs?
4.
It's
There's
4
2.
pieces in one
One
pack.
pack.
But in one box,
There's
there's
2 packs. And 4, and then there's 8 in total.
Yeah. And let's open
This one.
this one. Okay. You want some help?
No, I can do it.
How about?
Okay.
Okay. You want some help now?
Mm.
There you go. Let's open it. Oh, Chloe. Or we? What's that?
Ori mochi.
No. Or we keep it sealed.
Should we open it or should we keep it here?
There. Look at them.
Wow.
They're so tiny. Right? Let's put it here.
Okay.
There you go. See? So small.
Yeah, it's
Really small. How about this? Okay, let's cheers.
Let's bite it first. Let's see what
Cheers
it's
first. Mmm. It's chocolate cacao milk. It's chocolate. Mmm.
It tastes like chocolate cake.
Yummy.
It tastes like the chocolate cake that we had before.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm. It's very small. And kaya ubusin lahat isang pack na mag-isa lang. Kahit itong lahat kaya niya ubusin. It's really yummy. Premium. We have also strawberry, right?
I'll
Look at
get
the
it.
strawberry.
Okay.
Okay, this
And
is the strawberry.
pa.
She
But-
ate it already the whole one pack. See?
And this is the other pack.
Nakain.
Yes.
Nakain na niya ng buong kainan.
Yeah.
Should I eat this one? Or you want that? I want to taste that. Because
Okay,
you didn't
only
taste
one.
that. Let me taste it. Inuubos na niya yung kabila. There. They're all the same.
Huh?
4.
Look.
Yeah. And they're
So
also small. It's so cute. Kaya parang isang bite lang kaya ng ano.
Look, it can fit in my mouth.
But you need to be more careful because this is round. So, dahil round lang siya, kailangan may supervision pagkakain ng mga bata. Baka ma-choke sila. So, it's better na kagawin muna bago kain. Kasi nga maliit.
And look, there's butter.
Sarap ng strawberry.
Yeah, there's butter. It's when you put the strawberry together with the butter, it tastes like strawberry ice cream.
Yes. Because it's, I guess this one is strawberry with white chocolate. Harap. Yung ice cream. Yummy. Good duper. This is one of the best pasalubong from Taiwan. So, mga magpapasalubong from Taiwan, so sulit this one. So yummy.
And if you're from Taiwan, always
Yeah.
like and subscribe.
So, if you like this video, what do you need to do? Follow for more.
And also, if you want to also get this, you need to go to Taiwan.
Maybe they sell also like that in other store. We don't know because this is only for salubong. Thank you again, guys. That's it for today. Bye.
Bye.